What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service alert on your system. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service runs in the background of your PC, checking the authenticity of your Adobe apps. The Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service alert is part of Adobe's efforts to protect its intellectual property by ensuring that the Adobe application being used is genuine and has not been tampered with by third-party tools. If for any reason you find this service intrusive or it's causing issues with your system, there are a few methods to disable it. The first method involves using the Service Manager on your computer. You can find the Service Manager by searching for Services in the Start menu. Once open, scroll through the list until you find the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. Right-click on it, select Properties, then in the window that opens, change the startup type to Disabled and click on the Stop button. After disabling the service, restart your computer, and the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity notification should no longer appear. Another approach to resolving this issue is by deleting the Adobe CGI client folder. To do this, you first need to end the service's running process. Open Task Manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. Go to the Processes tab and look for Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service or agsservice.exe. Right-click to end it. Afterward, go to the Adobe CGI client folder in your File Explorer. It should be typically located at c/program-files/common-files/Adobe. With that done, restart your system to apply the changes. A third method to permanently remove the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service is to uninstall the Adobe Genuine Service from your computer. Press the Windows key and I to open your settings. Navigate to Apps and then Installed Apps. Here, search for Adobe Genuine Service. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. Follow any on-screen prompts, and once the process is complete, restart your computer. This action not only disables the service but also removes it and its related caches from your system. Remember, while disabling the Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service might be necessary for some users, it's essential to ensure that your Adobe software is legitimately acquired to avoid potential legal and security issues. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.